Hello everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Donna. If you're new to the channel and you enjoy it, please like and subscribe and share. I hope all of you all have been doing well. Today we are going to make up some beef tips and gravy, which is known as the no peek. You just leave it alone and let it cook. But it's a simple dish. I wanted simple, just something that I can throw together. Now, if a lot of you don't like the canned stuff and the packaged stuff, by all means, you can make your own. But this is about easy today, so that's what we are doing. And we're going to pour this over some mashed potatoes. You can have it over some rice, some egg noodles, however you want it. Some vegetables on the side. But first, what we're going to do is get our bowl. Putting this together is quick, and you can also do this in a crock pot if you'd like. Okay, go ahead and get your oven preheated to 300 Fahrenheit. Mine, I believe, is already ready. Yeah. Okay, so first we're going to add our water, and everything for this is in the description box. All of the ingredients that I'm using. Okay, now I'm using the less sodium packet, and I'm using the one that calls for only 1 cup of water, because some of these gravy packets can cause for they call for 2 cups of water. It's the 1 cup package. And then to that I'm going to add in, you can use regular mushroom or you can use the golden mushroom. Use you the 10.5 ounce can. Put that in there. It's so easy, and you know, if you don't want to do a lot of messing around in the kitchen, you want something to come together fairly quick, but it's a 3-hour cook time. But it ain't easy. It's not hard to do. And I'm going to do 1 packet of my beefy onion soup mix. And you're just going to mix that up. This is the beefy onion soup mix I'm using. Get this mixed up. It's that simple, y'all. Now you can sear your stew meat if you'd like, but it's about easy. It's going to cook. 3 hours, yeah. But the browning just gives it that more intensified beefy flavor. So we got this mixed up. Okay. Now I have my, use whatever pan it'll fit in. Just make sure it has a lid or some foil over it. I have my 2 pounds of stew meat. Okay. And then pour that mix right over that stew meat. Let's get everything out of there. See what I mean about simple? That's all you're doing. There's no chopping, no searing anything. Just mix, pour over. And this is a delicious, satisfying, hearty comfort meal. As I said, whatever you want to put this over. We're doing mashed potatoes, so. And that's it, y'all. That is it. My oven is preheated. Lid goes on. And we'll see y'all in 3 hours. And it's a no peek. Okay, don't remove that lid. 300 Fahrenheit, 3 hours. Okay, friends, there are the beef tips. I left mine in 3.5 hours. It just depends on how big you cut your stew meat. We like ours kind of chunky, so I just took it out of the oven. It's hot. Let me take this off. Look at there. This is delicious. Now, what it tastes like to me, it tastes like a pot roast. You could actually throw you some diced up potatoes here, a few carrots. But it's really good and it's simple to put together. Just the baking takes a while. But the gravy consistency on it is perfect. I'm going to plate it up. Okay, this is how we're having it. I got some green beans warming up on the stove, but like I said, it's a simple meal, and I hope you all enjoy it. Hang on a minute, I'm going to get a bite here with y'all. I know this is hot. See, we got the mashed potatoes underneath there with that gravy. Hot. Mm-hmm. Boy, that's good for something that's so simple. Boy, that's good. Finger licking good. But you guys give that a try. You could also do this like with a roast. Cut it up in little chunks. It doesn't have to be stew meat. But they say 3 hours and don't peek, you know, because that's normally how long it takes. And if you open the door, it's slow cooking. You're letting the heat out. So leave it alone. Don't peek. Let it go. You take it out. It's not tender enough for you. Put it back in. It makes plenty of gravy to let it keep cooking. So, like I said, it's simple to make, y'all. It's really simple. But until next time, as I always say, if I miss anything, I'll always leave it in the description box. But we're going to eat some supper, and till next week, love one another, eat well, and we will see you all later. Have a blessed evening. Bye-bye.